Troubleshoot Reviews, another video. I want to go over this tool that I think would be very beneficial who are doing some heavy maintenance, or at least if you are jacking up your car at all while you're at home, you should get one of these. I got something in the mail. I really love getting stuff in the mail. I purchased this from Amazon, and I'm about to cut it open so you can see what it is. This is the Pot Auto. I'm trying to get it to focus so you can see this. So this is the Pot Auto Universal Frame Rail Pad. What this is for is so that you could use a larger jack, or a jack with a larger rest plate to jack up your car, but still jack it up on the frame rail. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So you take your jack pad and you put it right where the pinch weld is. For the Dodge Challengers, you know that it's right where the door meets this fender wall. You take your jack, place it underneath the jack pad, and then you jack the vehicle up right on the frame pad, or right on the jack pad. Voila. As you can see, the car is jacked up. It's sitting on the frame pad. The jack plate is not touching the car, so it's minimizing the possibility of damaging this plastic right here, which is actually seated right underneath this panel and underneath the door. So you definitely don't want to jack this piece of plastic up, because it could push it up into this panel and damage it. So I think that thing is pretty cool. So the jack pad that I'm using from Pot Auto, it costs I think around $11. Now Z01 Add-ons makes a very similar jack pad for quite a bit more money. I cannot tell you which one is better, one other than the other, but I do know that this jack pad from Pot Auto works really good with the full-size jack. This jack, I got it from Harbor Freight. The reason why I even have this set up, the 6-ton or the 3-ton jack, the jack pad, and the ramp, is so that hopefully in the future this is the way I can do my oil changes. I can jack up the car and put it on the ramp, and then also use jack stands versus just jacking the car up and placing the car on jack stands. Jack stands make me nervous. I don't know why, they just make me nervous. It's something to note about the Pot Auto jack pad is the base of the jack pad does not feel the entire jack pad cup that's on the jack cup that's here. So it does slide around in there. When the weight of the car is on the jack pad, it doesn't move at all. But that's something to note if you want a jack pad that fills the entire cup. You might want to look for a different product, because that one's not for you. And the reason for the jack pad is every place on the car, or any car, basically a lot of cars, it's not safe to jack it up anywhere. There's certain places on the car, if you try to jack it up, you can cause a considerable amount of damage. So if you can jack it up in places that are approved, like pinch welds, frame rails, you should definitely do that. I know that Harbor Freight recalled a whole bunch of jack stands from a certain lot number or batch number. As far as I know, by the time I'm making this video, they haven't recalled any jacks, like actual jacks. So hopefully we're safe. But that's the reason why you use jack stands, because you don't know what's gonna fail. Your jack stand, your jack, either or, hopefully not both. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you an item that I got, a nice tool. If you're using a full-size jack with vehicles that sit really low to the ground, the jack, and if you really want to be able to jack up on the pinch well, that is a great tool to be able to do that. I appreciate you tuning in. Blue Suit Reviews. As usual, like this video, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when new videos are coming out. And I will see you in the next video.